Leucistic Texas rat snakes. Texas rat snakes are found in Texas as well as Arizona and Louisiana. They are now available in a number of different color mutations, the most attractive of which is probably the leucistic form. They generally eat mice and rats. The average Texas rat snake will reach between 10 and 15 years of age. They are non-venomous, so a bit will give you a little more than a sore leg. Green tree python. Green tree python are mainly found in New Guinea Islands in Indonesia and Cape Town Peninsula in Australia. These snakes have a particular way of resting in branches of trees. They are well known to bite when someone or something provokes them. They can become easily agitated and very protective. There is no venom offered by this species of snake, however it is still important to be able to get medical attention after such a bite to prevent an infection. Eastern coral snake. Eastern coral snakes are relative of the cobra, mamba, and sea snake. They live in the wooded, sandy, and marshy areas of the southeastern United States. Coral snakes live extremely solitary life and generally bite humans only when handled or stepped on. These are venomous snakes, and after a bite, venom begins to disrupt the connection between the brain and the muscles. Blood red cone snake. Blood red cone snakes reside in North America and found in forest openings, abandoned buildings, and farms. Snake is named as cone due to its existence near grain stores. These snakes lack venom, therefore they are harmless and even beneficial to humans and help control population of wild rodent pests that damage crops and spread diseases. Albino ball python. The albino ball python originates from West Africa and considered to be the most popular pet snakes. They typically don't bite and can grow up to 6 feet. They generally eat mice and rats throughout their lives. They are nocturnal, therefore feed at night.